Welcome to the Cybersecurity Awareness and Fraud Protection Workshop, your shield in the digital world. In today's interconnected world, digital danger is lurking everywhere. Cyber frauds, online scams, and financial losses are increasing at an alarming pace. Are you protected? This workshop is designed to empower you to protect yourself, your family, your clients, and your entire organization. So why is this workshop essential right now? The harsh reality is that cyber frauds and financial losses are hitting people harder and faster than ever before. We give you the practical knowledge and real-life examples to identify, understand, and prevent cyber frauds effectively. Security is incomplete without you. Are you curious about the sophisticated tactics scammers are using today? We'll reveal how cyber frauds are evolving and, critically, why even aware people fall victim to these scams. Learn to identify phishing, vishing, smishing, and fake links, plus the most common mistakes made with UPI, QR codes, and other digital payments. We cover high-value threats like investment, trading, and cryptocurrency scams, and demystify complex frauds like the digital arrest scam. Here is a high-level overview of the essential topics you will master in this 3-hour workshop. Dive deep into the psychology of scams, understanding how greed, fear, and pressure tactics are used, along with key red flags that signal fraud. We'll introduce a simple, practical, and innovative 4-layer security framework to help you manage hundreds of user IDs and passwords with ease. Master digital payment safety across UPI, QR code, and virtual cards, alongside maintaining social media confidentiality and digital hygiene. Let's meet the resource person and look at the powerful takeaways you'll receive. Your expert instructor is Mr. Vikas Gupta, a certified financial planner and cybersecurity and financial fraud awareness expert with over 25 years of experience in IT, BFSI, and corporate training. Walk away with the confidence to identify frauds, gain control in digital transactions, reduce personal and organizational risk, and achieve true peace of mind. Ready to supercharge your security? Book your Cybersecurity Awareness Workshop today. This workshop is vital for corporate employees, professionals, students, educators, and truly anyone using a mobile, the internet, or digital payments. This video shares a testimonial about our Cybersecurity Awareness and Fraud Protection Workshop, which was successfully conducted for a leading banking institution and covered by reputed digital media platforms. The workshop included key learning areas like the latest cyber attacks, fraud trends, and legal provisions. We are trusted and recognized for providing proven cybersecurity awareness for institutions. This workshop is designed for banks, corporations, government organizations, and institutions where data security and financial safety are critical. Remember, awareness is the first line of defense. Be alert, be informed, and most importantly, be cyber safe. Contact us now to inquire or book a session via email at microcosmic.services@gmail.com, mobile, by scanning the QR code, or through the link provided.